Hello everyone, welcome back. It's me Sonia from Inner Order and Joy. And here is Ram and Shiva. Today we are going for a nature walk. Today we are going to explore our five senses while we are walking in our community. And also we are going to collect some treasure like leaves, twigs and many more interesting things whatever we find while we are walking, and come back home and do some activities.
We'll go.
So stay tuned. Let's start with this is our little garden. It is already fall season, right? You want to taste mint?
Mint.
Yeah.
Good.
खाते हो देखा शिवा टेस्ट करो some mint. खा शिवा Slow. Is it minty?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take this wagon so that we can collect some leaves, twigs. Yeah? Okay, chal. Pull. Okay, tell me, what did you observe, Shiva? What do you see? Huh?
Lake's polluted.
Huh?
The lake is polluted.
Lake is polluted. And what else do you see?
Ducks.
Ducks? What color?
Black and white, a normal color.
Uh-huh. You see black and white duck.
Can you give me that stick? Can you give me that? No, it's that. Can you give me
Okay,
that?
what do you see, Rama?
I see sticks.
Sticks
Yeah.
and
Hi guys. So I can see some stuff. I like branches and twigs.
hmm?
And
Don't go there. कुछ ही अजोला में.
I can.
You see all the yellow leaves, red leaves. Ram, let's pause here. And what is one of our senses? Eyes.
Eyes.
Through eyes, what do we do?
We see stuff. We can see cars and palms, and we can see wagons, and we can see shoes, and we can see our clothes, and we can see our plants.
Yeah, what do you see around? Tell me. Just observe. Huh?
An owl feather.
What did you find?
Owl feather.
How do you know that is an owl feather?
Because ducks don't have this, and we saw a great horned owl at my school.
Oh, wait, Rama. Dada is explaining. Wait. Oh, what is that?
Because of the owls only have this, like.
Oh, owls only have that pattern? Wow.
I don't know.
You're pretty sure?
Ducks don't have this.
Ducks don't have this type of feather?
We saw a great horned owl at my school. It's in a branch,
Oh,
like a real one,
real one?
small one.
That's nice. Now we are exploring our ice.
Dada.
Don't go near, Shiva. Be careful. Rama, let's put it in our treasure box. Our wagon is a treasure box.
So what are we gonna put in here?
No, only put it in the wagon, not in the box. Put it in the wagon. Okay.
If for anything, let us know.
Okay, just don't talk, Rama, okay? Don't talk. Just pay attention. Pay attention. What all you see, you have to tell me, okay? Shiva and Rama, I have a challenge for you. Find out a small flower on the grass. Let's pay attention to grass now. Let's pay attention to grass. Find a small flower, teeny weeny flower. Let's pay attention to grass now. Ram already found it. Don't. What? That's good, Ram.
Yeah.
That's good. Show me. Wow, Ram already found a flower. That's so pretty. That's good. Okay, let's collect some leaves here. Shiva, collect some nice ones.
I already got the red one over here.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
Black.
Okay.
Mom, look at this.
Uh-huh.
Red,
Uh-huh. Brown.
brown, yellow.
Okay, yellow. Okay, go. Put it in the wagon. Okay, Ram, let's touch. Touch and see. Touch and see. The stems of the tree.
It's already cold, I know.
Oh, what is this? Is it rough or smooth? A gentle touch. Use your fingers and gentle touch. Is it rough or smooth? Smooth. Let's see if the tree, that one is rough or smooth. You touch this leaf. Is this rough or smooth?
It's smooth.
Smooth. Let's see if that tree trunk is rough or smooth. Come here, Ram. Ram, this one.
I know.
Touch this one. Is it bumpy? It's little bit bumpy.
Yeah,
It's little bit bumpy.
yeah.
Yeah. What do you mean by brown leaves, Shiva? What happened to them?
No, these are not. These are colors.
This is dead leaf. That means
No, it's one of the colors.
no. That means there is no there is no carbon dioxide. They are dead. That's why they have fallen from the tree. You see this tree?
No, it's still alive. Look, if it was dead, it would be so.
Crunchy.
Yeah.
Maybe there is still some water.
Oh, dude, seriously.
You want that rock?
Yeah,
Okay. Put it in your. What is this called, Ram?
a tree trunk.
Huh?
What's that?
Tree trunk. फिर बोल चोकर बोल. This one?
Tree trunk.
Trunk. अरे हुबली can बोल नहीं this सुमा के.
Tree trunk.
Okay. This one. How does it feel? Touch. Gentle touch. Gentle touch.
What? I don't even know.
They are into running. The font. What is it? Show me. Wow.
Stick.
दिखाना. What is it?
Pine cone.
Cool.
Not over there. There's only one.
That's only one. It's okay.
Oh, it's going for. Oh my god.
Okay. Now find something on the top of the tree. What do you see?
Leaf. Pine cone.
No.
Leaf.
What do you see, Ram?
Leaf.
Carefully pay attention to the tree and see what do you see.
A net.
And tell me,
A net.
what is that?
A net.
Yeah, he is thinking it might be a dray because it's made out of leaves. But are there any twigs in there? Are there any twigs in there, Shiva? We found a nest.
Not a day.
Maybe it's a dray or nest. We don't know. Maybe birds live there or a squirrel live there. You see those roots, Rama?
Yeah.
As if these two trees, big trees, 1 and 2, and their roots, and as if they are talking, right? Big. You see this, Shiva? Their roots? They're combined. These two big trees.
They like talking.
As if they are talking with their roots.
Amma, come and look, something's cool.
Something is cool? Where? Slow. See? Ram paid attention and he found a hole in the tree trunk.
No, not a hole, but there's no hole. But a little hole just.
Yeah, a little hole.
It's not a hole. It's just like a little
Pocket?
pocket, Kali.
Wow.
No, that is.
I like how you paid attention to the tree trunk, Ram. I like that. And you found a pocket. Little pocket.
Little
What?
bark.
You found a bark? Okay. Let Dada show. Wait. Wow, tree bark. That's cool, Shiva. You know what, Shiva? Ram thinks that this tree is little and so cool.
Mama, come and look at another thing cool. The dry leaves.
Yeah.
So pretty. Squirrels live in there.
Dry
Oh no,
leaves.
that's like a little spider.
Show. Come here, show.
There's a spider home.
Spider web.
Dig. Is there any spider in there? Don't
I
touch.
don't think that's a
Just
spider.
observe.
There's a spider web.
Is there a spider web over there? Show me.
Does it? I don't think you can see it. Though.
Yeah, I don't think I can see that.
There's a little spider. Oh,
Maybe I'll put a hand there. Maybe now we can see.
yeah.
Oh yeah,
Spider web.
that's a spider web. You see that, Ram?
Yeah, I can really see it.
You see that?
Yeah.
You found a spider web.
Yeah.
Okay, come Shiva. Just close your eyes and tell me what you hear.
I hear a dog.
I hear a dog barking at us. I hear ducks flapping their wings. I hear
Close your eyes, Ram.
cars. I hear the cars.
I see the dogs and the cows.
No, you just close your eyes. You need to use your ears. Put your hands near your ears.
I hear a truck. I hear the ducks quacking.
Rama, close your eyes. Close, I am here.
I hear the ducks flapping their wings on the water.
I
Close your eyes, Ram.
Okay, close your eyes. I will help you. Yeah, now. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. See your belly going up and down. Notice. Yeah. I hear cars.
I hear ducks flapping.
I hear ducks flapping.
I hear that.
I hear again. Yeah. Use your nose and smell that fresh air.
Close eyes, Ram.
Close eyes. Take a deep breath. You smell that? Fresh air? You smell that fresh air? Alright guys, we had our nice nature walk and
We're back home.
we are going back home now. We'll do our activities
Yeah.
with those dried leaves.
Yeah.
We'll make a book out of it. Yes, Ram?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going home now.
Yeah. Oh no.
तू जा भीतर. चल.
Come. Oh, this is your factor. That's a mouse factor.
We found leaves, we found twigs, feathers, acorns, pinecone, some tree bark, and Ram is having snack. Strawberry. Alright guys, we just came back from our nature walk and you know what we collected? Lots of treasure, nature treasure. Leaves, twigs, feathers, some acorns,
And some coconut.
yeah, and twigs and tree bark and lots of fall leaves. It is fall. Alright?
Other pine cone.
Now we are going to do some activities with that. With all of this, we are going to do some activities. So let's get started. Yeah? Alright guys, that was our 5 senses walk. I hope this video has inspired you to take your children for a nature walk because what we cannot teach at home, at schools, nature can teach. So I call every parent who are in some way dedicated to offer a better next generation than who we are. Then I request you to invest a certain dedicated amount of time to take your children outdoors in nature, as it is very, very important for both your physical and mental health, and above all, development of the child in the fullest possible way. You can do this type of 5 senses nature walk anywhere, even in your own community. So let us know where you go and what you see. Thanks so much for joining us. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.